Okay, so today we're gonna talk about the command pad. So I will choose mechanical design, power design, and then I want to draw a sketch, something like this. Then I will constrain this. I'll double click for multi-use and just exit. I use this pad command for extruding this sketch. So I can drag it, simple pad. Then okay. Here this is a limit 1 and dimension. I can extend it, reverse direction or preview. Then okay, here pad is completely done, and there a command draft fill pad, and for this I can undo this sketch. Okay, then I choose this. Okay, draft fill pad, I select this and select the section. I'll choose this section where I was draw this plane. So I choose this plane and I give the limit and preview. Then here is taper, extrude. I can change their degree, preview. Okay, I can reverse direction. Okay, here the given dimensions, lateral radius I can use for this preview. Okay, here the dimension of this will change, and first limit radius was changed, the upper face radius. Then preview. Then you can see here upper radius is changed and second limit radius. If I draw here above the any surface, then it will change, no effect there. And okay, you can see here a draft fill pad I can give. So let's try of cell. I can give thickness and okay, just okay. You can see here completely and okay. And next here is multi-pad. For this I chose this plane sketch, something like rectangle and then circle, exit. If I choose this pad, then it will both will extrude. You can see preview, both will extrude. I want to extrude other than other, and for this cancel. I can use multi-pad and then select this. Then you can change the limit and preview and select other. Then you can give limit as your requirement and then okay. So here you can see the multi-pad. Okay, so this is used of pad command. Okay, so we will meet you in next video, and like this video and subscribe the channel.